you get one, it's gonna be well worth it. I seen a one C8 a couple of weeks ago, and that C8 had a I think it was a Z51, and she had the advanced exhaust system on it, which is $3,600. And I think she had she also had a radar detector, and it was a built-in radar detector. So the radar detector, you can get those. That's an option too. You can get one for your C8, and it's built in through the system, and it's controlled through your key fob. So I thought that was a grand idea to be able to have that. And it also come with not only alert when somebody's on the side of you or of your vehicle, but cross traffic alert comes with that too. But as I said, it'll be well worth it once you guys get your vehicles. So I just encourage you guys just to hang in there and be patient, and hopefully things will work out for the better of all of us. All of us are very enthusiastic about the Corvette and the arrival of the new models coming out. This is John Schaffer. I ask you to hit the like button, share button, subscribe to my channel so you